Hello viewer, and welcome back to our Stealthy Finance Tips channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Today, we're diving into a crucial question: can you retire with $800,000? Imagine this. You're 62, ready to retire, and you have $800,000 saved up. The big question is, can this amount last throughout your retirement? First, let's talk about the factors that influence your retirement savings. Desired retirement age. The earlier you retire, the longer your savings need to last. Estimated retirement budget. How much you plan to spend annually affects how long your savings will last. Expected longevity. Living longer means needing more money. Total savings and income. Consider all sources, like pensions and Social Security in US and CPP and social insurance in Canada. Now, let's dive into a scenario. Can I retire at 62 with $800,000? If you plan to downsize your home, live a minimalist lifestyle, and supplement your savings with a pension or Social Security, then yes, it's possible. However, if you plan to spend more or don't have other income sources, it might be challenging. For example, taking Social Security at 62 reduces the benefit amount compared to waiting until full retirement age, typically 66 or 67. But if you're worried about outliving your savings, taking it earlier could make sense. Health is another crucial factor. If you stay healthy, $800,000 might be enough. But long-term care can significantly reduce your savings, as Medicare doesn't cover extended nursing home care. Medicaid can, but you may need to spend down most of your assets first. How long will $800,000 last in retirement? The 4% rule is a common guideline. It suggests withdrawing 4% of your savings each year. For example, with $800,000, you withdraw $32,000 in the first year. Assuming a 5% return and 3% inflation, your money could last 30 years, leaving over $120,000 by age 92. But if inflation rises to 4%, you could run out of money by age 90. Considering other income sources like Social Security or a pension can help. Social Security can start at 62, but the amount is lower than if you wait until full retirement age. How to retire with $800,000? Planning early is crucial. Consider your retirement age, lifestyle, and total savings and income. If you have a 401k, max it out. If not, use an IRA. In Canada, you have similar options with our RSP, which offer tax-deductible contributions and grow tax-free until withdrawal, and TFSA, where contributions are not tax-deductible but withdrawals are tax-free. For the self-employed, a SEP or simple IRA allows higher contributions. An annuity can also create guaranteed income. Consulting a financial advisor can help tailor a strategy for your needs, ensuring you can retire comfortably with $800,000. Conclusion: how long $800,000 lasts in retirement depends on your withdrawal rate, lifestyle, and other income sources. Creating a retirement budget helps you understand your spending and savings needs. Talking to a financial advisor can provide personalized advice and strategies. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful finance tips. I'll see you in the next one.